Jai Vijay series, Episode 5, Vijay as Kumbhakarna in Birth 2. In his second birth, Vijaya became Kumbhakarna, the brother of the 10-headed Ravan. Kumbhakarna wanted the throne of Indra and so decided to perform severe austerities to please Brahma for boons. Afraid that he might be successful in doing so, Indra approached goddess Saraswati for help. So when Brahma was finally pleased and Kumbhakarna was about to ask for Indra's throne, goddess Saraswati tied his tongue and Kumbhakarna as a result misspoke. He asked for Nidrasana, the seat of sleep, instead of Indrasana, the throne of Indra. Before anyone could intervene, the boon was granted and Kumbhakarna instantly fell into a deep sleep. Ravan came to his brother's rescue and requested Brahma to undo the curse. A curse once given can never be undone, but I can modify it a bit. And now it came to be that Kumbhakarna would sleep for 6 months of the year and be awake for the remaining 6. Many years later, when Ravan was almost losing in the war against Ram for having abducted his wife Sita, Kumbhakarna was forcibly woken up from his sleep to help them. Although Kumbhakarna did not approve of Ravan's decision to go to war to begin with, as he was aware that Ravan was in the wrong, he nevertheless agreed to help, for he was extremely loyal to his brother. Kumbhakarna fought with all his might and even wreaked havoc in the enemy's army. In order to stop him, Ram came out to fight with him directly. After a fierce battle, Ram invoked the Vayu god and sent out a powerful astra that finally killed Kumbhakarna. And that was how Vijay completed his second birth on earth as the mortal Kumbhakarna and inched closer towards fulfilling the curse given by the Kumaras.